On the way to Las Vegas, there's a cool roadside attraction called Seven Magic Mountain. Something you want to check out. Let's go check this place out. Right, Byung? Seven Magic Mountain is a pretty cool roadside attraction that you could find when you travel towards Las Vegas from Los Angeles. It sits right next to the 15th freeway. It's located halfway between Las Vegas and the state line Prim. The place has a large dirt parking lot next to it, which is very cool. It doesn't look like it's that crowded today. After you park, there's a little short walk towards the display. Seven Magic Mountain is a large-scale public art display by artists from Sweden. This public art display is supposed to be temporary, but it got so popular, it's going to stay up until 2021.